Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover. Removal. Important. Make careful note of which battery cable is soldered to each contact point on the system board. Unsolder the battery cables from the contact points on the system board. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume power button ZIF connector and disconnect the volume power button ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the volume power button grounding strap from the adhesive that secures it to the system board. Carefully remove the volume power button cable from the adhesive on the display panel assembly. Caution: take care not to damage the volume power button cable. Place the volume power button cable in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the volume power button cable from the static dissipative bag. Place the volume power button cable into position on the display panel assembly. Note: if the volume power button cable is not new or does not contain adhesive backing, PSA or pressure-sensitive adhesive should be added. Adhere the volume power button grounding strap into position on the system board. Insert the volume power button ribbon cable into the volume power button ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove any remaining solder from the battery contact points on the system board and clean the contact points with an alcohol swab. Solder the battery cables onto the contact points on the system board. Important: inspect the solder joints to ensure that they have a good connection and that there is no possibility of electrical shorting.